In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom invoices. So this is particularly useful if you are someone who closes your clients over a call and you need to create a custom invoice while you are on the phone with them. But there are a number of different reasons why you might want to create custom invoices for your clients. But let's go ahead and navigate over to our orders by clicking on orders over here on the left-hand side. And then you'll see we have our sale from the previous video, but we want to click on invoices. And then we're going to create a new invoice by simply clicking add your first invoice. You can then go ahead and create a new contact or find a contact that already exists within your system. So if this is a new client that you are talking to on the phone, you can go ahead and grab all of their details and create that contact in the system right here. I'm simply going to go ahead and grab Betty White and I'm going to hit save. So now we have created an invoice, and you'll see over here on the left-hand side that we have all of her details. We have the order details, the billing details, and her contact details, and you can update those as you go through this process as well. So what I want to do is actually add an item to this cart. And what I can do is either add a custom item, so I can add an item that I'm creating specifically and uniquely for this client, and I can fill out all the details right here. Or I can go ahead and add an item that is already existing within my catalog. So I'm going to do that. I'm simply going to select the My Product, which is our $99 product. But let's imagine that this is a much higher ticket item and that it's not just $99 and instead it's $2,000. And this person might not be able to pay the $2,000 fee once off. They might need to have that broken down over a couple months. So we can actually do that for them here within this invoice. So we're on the phone with them. We say, hey, our price is $2,000. They say, oh, can't really afford that. We can say, well, we can cut you a special deal. We can make it $600 a month for 4 months. How does that sound? And they'll be like, yeah, actually, that's doable. So what we would do is then click on the price of that product. And again, we're imagining that this is a little bit more expensive. So we can actually go ahead and say that the price is $2,000. And then we can say that the subscription is actually, yes, we want this to be a subscription product. Then we would change the price. So we're going to change the price of the first payment to $600, which means they're going to pay $600 right now, right off the bat. And then we're going to make a subscription price. And the subscription price is also going to be $600. And then we want that to repeat over a certain period of time. We don't want that to be an unlimited subscription that they keep paying month after month after month. We want to limit that subscription. So we're going to come here to limit subscription, and we're going to say yes, and we're going to say that it has 3 repeats. So they have that once off first time payment, which is our $600, and then they're going to pay $600 for 3 months after that. And then we can go ahead and hit save. So now we've created a custom subscription product for this user. You could then go ahead and either copy the invoice link and send it to them, or you can simply send them the invoice link from here within the system. So if I click on send invoice link, you'll see that it is then going to send it to this particular user, and I can go ahead and add in my details over here. So it's being sent from heather@demo.com, and then I can come and actually customize that email by clicking here, and I can customize the specific email that is being sent to my users. So instead of it just having this generic message, I can go and customize that as well. But I'm going to navigate back to my invoices here. Then you would want to make sure that you have all their billing details. If they have already purchased from you and their billing details and credit card information is in the system already, you can actually click collect payment here within the system. But you will not be able to collect their card details over the phone and you insert all that because it's just not safe. So we don't do that. You would have to make sure that they have the opportunity to fill in their card details themselves in a secure way. But because this is just an example, I can come here to my billing details, edit all of these. I can 1, 2, 3 out this information, make sure that everything is filled out so that we can actually just go ahead and collect that payment. So you would make sure that you do have all their billing details, and I'm going to hit save. And because I do have that cash payment method, I can then go ahead and collect the payment. I can say cash, the amount that is being collected, and I can record that payment. It's then going to ask me if I do want to create this order, and I'm going to say yes, I want to create this order. It's only asking me that because I am collecting a cash payment and this is not a credit card payment that's going through the system. All right, so now you'll see that my invoice section is completely empty and I don't have any invoices here. But if I go to sales, there is my sale that has been created. And if I click in, you'll be able to see all of that information. And if I click out and I come here to my subscriptions, you'll see that a subscription has been created for that product as well. And I can see all the information for that product there. So that is how you can create custom orders and invoices for your clients. In the next video, I am going to go through order status management. I'll see you there.